welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to calibrate a 3D printer for precision prints. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to calibrate a 3D printer for precision, simply perform a series of steps including bed leveling and Z offset calibration for optimal first layer adhesion. Then calibrate the extruder, each steps to ensure accurate filament extrusion. So for this, you need to have a simple 3D printer. So once you have a 3D printer, you can simply bed level it. You need to level the print bed and set the Z offset. So after doing this, you can also extrude your calibration, like mark the filament, extrude the filament, and measure and calculate. Once this is done, you can also search for dimensional accuracies, like print a calibration cube or measure the cube. After this, you can also see the flow rate calibration by printing a single wall cube and measure wall thickness. So this is how you can calibrate a 3D printer for precision prints. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.